Nature's beauty is a reflection of our soul's beauty. A very warm morning. Today, I, Vaedika Yadav from class 6B, want to talk to you about a critical issue that affects us all, the environment. Our planet is facing unprecedented challenges, from climate change to pollution, deforestation, and species extinction. But there's a hope. I have some solutions to share among you all. First, transition to renewable energy. Second, reduce, reuse, and recycle. Third, protect and restore natural habitats. Fourth, promote sustainable agriculture. And the last, support climate resilient infrastructure. The time to act is now. So, let us unite to protect our planet for the future we create. Every small action counts, every voice matters. Together, we can make a big difference as we tend the Mother Earth. May our legacy be love, care, and harmony with nature. May future generations inherit a world where beauty, wonder, and life thrives. May our collective efforts create a greener tomorrow. Thank you for being such a great listeners and have a fabulous day ahead.